Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video, of course. I'm actually looking for a particular watch, and I think it is in this package, but I don't know for sure. So let's see if it is what I'm looking for. A subscriber requested or asked if I had a certain watch that I'd be willing to sell, and I think I have it. So went on a little treasure hunt here. Actually bought more than one watch from this same guy here. So it's either in this package or another package that I have. Hopefully this is the right one. This thing's like triple packaged or something. It's okay, I think I got it. The watch I'm looking for is a Seiko, and I bought more than one Seiko from him, so hopefully this is the right Seiko. Maybe I bought 3 watches from him. I can't remember now. So we'll have to keep looking. So I don't know what this is. This SNE541 P1, I guess. So maybe this isn't what I'm looking for. I guess it's not what I'm looking for. Kind of is, but it's kind of not. I was looking for a different solar Tuna. So maybe I don't have that watch that the other subscriber is looking for. So anyway, let's take a look at this. We'll get it on wrist. It looks like it has a bezel mod here. I have a SNE499. So yeah, SNE541. So that makes sense. These are both solar Tunas. I need to find that other watch. But anyway, sorry, I'm getting off track, like always. So let's get this off the cushion here. We'll check it out. I'm really surprised this still has a charge. I bought this. According to the shipping label, it was almost 6 months ago. So we're getting real close to the amount of time that this holds in reserve. Yeah, it's ticking every second there. Let me zoom in. So very cool. I was actually looking for SNE499, I think is what I was looking for. Yeah, it's a very cool watch. So I'll do a comparison video with this compared to the other one that I have. I have the Patty Solar Tuna. The clicking, the bezel sounds pretty interesting. This one's kind of strange, actually. If you can hear that or not. But looks like it lines up. Real nice grip to it. So let's get it on wrist. I'm still wearing the Rolex Explorer Homage custom mod watch. It's making me want a 36mm Explorer even more. So one day, hopefully, I'll get one. Oh, nice. This has a rubber keeper versus a metal keeper. I think this will keep the strap in a lot better. You can look at the case back here. Divers 200, stainless steel, Seiko, Movement Japan. I have a 6.5-inch wrist and about 75% of the way down here. Maybe I could go even Just a tad bit too tight. So there we go. So let me know what you think of the Seiko solar tunas. Also, this has an aftermarket metal shroud on here. Normally it would have this plastic shroud. So I have 2 of these with the metal shroud now. I like the look of a lot more with the metal shroud. So yeah, if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I greatly appreciate it. Leave a comment below. Like the video. I do like these watches. They do have a large case diameter, but lug to lug is really quite small. Let me zoom out. You can get a little bit of a different perspective here. These are fun watches. Probably a bit too big for my wrist, but hey, I don't mind. All right, that will conclude today's video, and I'll catch you on the next one.